Hey guys, thanks for joining me. This is Angie at Chicken Scratch. This is the project we're making today. It opens up just like this. And this is my first project for my Spooktacular Bash Make and Take class packet. All the details will be over on my website. I'm going to share all the videos over the next week, okay? So here are the measurements. We've got crumb cake cardstock that measures 4 1/4 by 8 1/4. 2 pieces of the Monster Bash Designer Series paper. This one measures 2 1/2 by 4, and this one measures 1/2 inch by 4. We've got basic black, a 4 by 2 1/2, crushed curry, 3 by 2 1/4, and whisper white, 3 by 2 1/4. I'm going to get the Simply Scored scoring tool. I'm going to score it at 5 1/2. Fold in the score line. Use your bone folder to burnish it. Okay, so now we're going to take the Designer Series paper and add it. Let's see, I want to make sure I don't put the houses upside down. There we go. Okay, so liquid glue. And now this one. Okay, we're going to take basic gray ink with the sponge, and I'm going to sponge the edges. You can use the sponge daubers if you prefer. Okay, then I'm going to do this layer, and then open it up and do this. Okay, that's pretty good. Now we're going to take Memento and we're going to stamp the greeting on the inside. Eat, drink, and be scary. And then this one we're going to stamp on our Whisper White cardstock. Okay, so we're going to take this layer here and we're going to emboss it with this Stylish Scroll embossing folder. So I'm just going to place that inside there. We're going to take 2 of the ornate frame dies. We're going to cut that out, and then we're going to cut the greeting out with this one. So I'm going to get the Big Shot. We're going to first emboss this, okay? Okay, so I'm going to sandwich the embossing folder in between 2 cutting pads and run that through. For this one right here, I'm going to run it through twice. So I'm going to put it in there and then run it through and then run it back through. And that just helps get all those little pieces out. And then now we're going to cut out the greeting. Okay, I'm going to take my Take Your Pick tool and just help get these little pieces out. Because I ran it through 2 times, they're really easy to get out. You can use the little attachment brush that goes with this and brush it across, but I actually just prefer to do it this way. It takes not even a minute. Okay, and you don't have to get all of them out if you don't want to. Okay, so now we're going to take this piece here and we're going to use the 2-inch circle punch and cut that out. We're going to add this image to the circle just with some liquid glue. So I'm just going to put it here. We're going to take a black Stampin' Dimensional and we're going to place it right in the middle of this piece. And then to add this to the card, we're just going to add liquid glue on that one side, okay? So just right here. Right in the center. And then I'm going to remove the backing of that black Stampin' Dimensional. Add this. Then we're going to take your pick tool again, and we're going to pick up one of these ravens. I think it's a raven. Okay, and actually I want to pop him up. So I'm going to take a mini dimensional and place it on the back of him. I knew when I went to put it on, I'm like, wait, something's not looking right. I like it popped up. See? Okay, there you have it. The original, the one we just made. It opens up just like that, and it does fit in a standard envelope. This is the first project for the Spooktacular Bash Make and Take class packet, and all the details will be on my website. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.